Percent increase, adding percent increase to the original. So what we're doing, here's the question, increase 12 by 50%. So method 1 is adding the percent increase to the original. So what we're going to do is we're going to figure out 50% of the 12. Okay, and to do that, that's very simple. We're just going to convert 50% into a decimal, which is 0.5 of is times. So 0.5 times 12, which is going to give us 6. All right, then, so that's the percent increase. We're going to add that to the original, so that's going to give us 6 plus 12 is going to be 18. Okay, so that's that. Method 2. So that was method 1. So 1, you find the increase, and then you add it to the original. Method 2, what you do is you find 100%, the original is 100%, okay, plus whatever percent increase you're going to have. All right, so this 12 is 100%, and we're increasing that by 50%, so in the end we're going to get 150% of what we started with. So we're just going to do 150% of 12. Okay, 150% as a decimal is going to be 1.5. Okay, so then we have 150% of 12, which is 150% as a decimal is 1.5, of is times 1.5 times 12, 18. So it's almost one step here. Okay, so you start off, you have 100%. You always start off with 100%. We're increasing it by 50%. So we're going to have 150% of whatever we started with. So 150% is 1.5 times 12, 18. I think this way is a little bit easier than the first way. And that's it. That's how you do it. So let's do a couple of examples. Here's a nice question. Increase 9.1 by 36.1%. All right, so we start off, though, 9.1 is 100%. And to that, we're going to add the 36.1%. So in the end, we're going to get 136.1%. So 136.1% is 1.361 as a decimal. Okay, now if you're not sure about that, let me just show you. 136.1 to convert a percent to a decimal. Remember, you divide by 100, which is the same as moving the decimal place 2 steps to the left. So 1.36, remove this decimal point, and remove the percent symbol. Okay, and there we go. So we're now going to figure out 1.361 of times 9.1, because what we're really trying to do is figure out what 136.1% of 9.1 is. Okay, so we've converted our percent to a decimal, which is 1.361, and our of we're going to express as times, so 1.361 times 9.1. And that's 12.3851. So let's copy that and paste it. Okay, let's try this one. We'll do this one as using method 2 as well. So we're 7.2, that's 100%. We're increasing our 100% by 85%. So in the end, we're going to get 185% of 7.2. Okay, 185% is going to be 1.85 as a decimal of 7.2 is times 7.2. And that gives us 13.32. I'm going to paste that in. And there we go. All right, let's do a method 1. Okay, so let's figure out what 56% of 8.2 is, and then we're going to increase the 8.2 by that amount. So 56%, we're going to convert 56 to a decimal, which is 0.56 of 8.2. It's going to be 4.592, and we're going to add that to 8.2. And it's going to give us 12.792. Okay, that's method 1. I don't like it as much, but it's still right. Okay, so I think I've run out of time. Anyhow, have a good day.